Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Moong bean sprout, which is a very good option for those who are aiming for weight loss since it contains low calories and fat and help in digestion, boost your metabolism, and it is a very good option for diabetic patient too. And with vegetables it is even more healthier. It is a good source of plant-based protein, and so in a very simple way I'm going to show this recipe. Now first thing what we need is sprouts. I will add water, which is hot water, and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes on the side to kill any bacteria. Now for those who don't know, I will explain how to sprout the moong. Moong you have to wash 2 times by changing water. Then you soak it for at least 12 hours. Once you soak them, you need to strain it and put it in a muslin cloth, wet muslin cloth, and hang it for at least 8 hours. You will have nice sprouts. So this is what I did, and now we'll start with the preparation, making of salad. Now in order to make the salad, we need one pomegranate, and I will show how to open the pomegranate. Give it a slide. So these are ready now. Let's start with the other ingredients. This moong I have already strained. Now I will add pomegranate. 1 medium onion cut in small dice. 8 each of cherry tomato cut in quarters. 1 cucumber cut in small dice. 1 green chili finely chopped. Fresh coriander finely chopped. Few sprigs. Half a teaspoon of salt. In order to make this salad, I have taken 250 grams sprout moong, pinch of black pepper powder, half of a lemon squeeze. Now since I have added all the ingredients, let's do the mixing part. Guys, check this colorful salad is ready. This I make this often at home and we all love this. You can try this recipe at home, and you can use your own vegetable of your choice, which can be lettuce, can be peppers, any kind of vegetable, and you all will enjoy this. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you very much.